Welcome to Auto Exotic Play, your ultimate destination for the latest reviews, updates, and insights on the hottest cars in the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BYD Atto 3, an electric SUV that has been making waves in the EV space with its impressive performance, design, and features. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 stands out with its sleek and modern exterior design. Its bold front grille, sharp-eyed headlights, and aerodynamic lines give it a stylish and futuristic look. The car is built with attention to detail, and you'll notice that BYD has put a lot of thought into making it both visually appealing and functional. The Atto 3's design is not just about looks, it's built for efficiency, reducing drag and maximizing range. Under the hood, the Atto 3 comes with a 60 kWh battery pack, which delivers a solid range of around 250–280 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. This makes it a competitive option in the growing electric SUV market. The electric motor produces 201 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and a comfortable driving experience. One of the standout features of the Atto 3 is its charging capability. It supports fast charging, allowing the battery to go from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes when using a high-speed charger. Inside, the BYD Atto 3 doesn't disappoint either. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed with premium materials, giving it a luxurious feel. The infotainment system is centered around a large touchscreen that's responsive and easy to use, offering connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital dashboard provides essential information in a clear and concise manner, while the steering wheel controls make it easy to manage functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is another area where the 2025 BYD Atto 3 shines. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make it a reliable choice for families and anyone looking for peace of mind on the road. If you're looking for a practical, eco-friendly SUV with great range and top-notch features, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Exotic Play for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching.